Fish oil for seniors, joint pain relief plus safety guide. Joint pain and stiffness are common challenges for seniors. Good fish oil help, and is it safe daily? Fish oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These compounds reduce inflammation and support heart, brain, and joint health. For older adults, fish oil may ease arthritis-related pain, improve mobility, lower triglycerides, and support memory. Most seniors tolerate fish oil well, but mild side effects like fishy aftertaste or stomach upset can occur. High doses may increase bleeding risks, especially with blood thinning medications. Typical safe intake is 500 to 2000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. Take fish oil with meals containing healthy fats, ideally in the evening. For higher doses, split between morning and evening. Fish oil is safe for seniors at recommended doses. It can ease joint pain and support overall health, but always consult a healthcare provider if you take medications. And that is the educational breakdown of fish oil for seniors in 2025. Would you take it in the morning or the evening?